Hey there! To begin, would you like to know what shyness means? It's basically when you tend to overthink and evaluate yourself according to other people's viewpoints and expectations. Do you sometimes find it challenging to meet new people or say no to invitations? It's possible that you may be a bit shy. You might also be someone who likes to take their time and think about how to act or behave in different situations. That's completely okay. It's possible that your upbringing and cultural background have influenced your belief that being humble is important. The good news is that shyness can be overcome with practice and time, so you can work towards eliminating it from your life. I have some exciting news. We're going to discuss some effective strategies that can help you overcome shyness and boost your confidence in life. Let's get started. 1. Self-acceptance. It's okay if not everyone likes you. It happens to all of us. We all go through periods of feeling unsure of ourselves and worrying about what others think. But here's the thing. Accepting yourself and your unique qualities will make things a lot easier for you. So embrace who you are and don't sweat the small stuff. 2. Focus outward, not inward. If you're feeling a bit nervous or anxious when talking to others, one helpful tip is to shift your focus away from yourself and towards the other person. One way to do this is by asking them questions to learn more about them and engage with them. It can be as simple as asking what they're working on, what they're eating, or what they like to do. The key is to ask with genuine curiosity rather than just trying to fit in or be accepted. By doing this, you'll find that your energy is focused on getting to know the other person and having a more enjoyable conversation. 3. Breathe deeply. Did you know that taking a few deep breaths and slowing down your breathing can activate your body's relaxation response? It's a great way to calm down and reduce feelings of anxiety. When you breathe deeply, more oxygen reaches your brain, which can boost your cognitive functioning and lower stress levels. So why not try taking some deep breaths right now? In addition, taking a deep breath can actually be really helpful when it comes to calming ourselves down and focusing on the present moment. It's a great way to take our minds off any anxious thoughts or worries we might be having. When we focus on our breath, we become more aware of our bodies, which can help us feel less shy or anxious. Give it a try next time you're feeling stressed out. 4. Embrace strengths. If you're looking to boost your confidence and self-esteem, one great way to do that is to find something you really enjoy and know you're good at. By focusing on this activity and putting your energy into it, you may be able to overcome shyness and learn to fully accept and appreciate yourself. So why not give it a try and see how it goes? You might just surprise yourself with how much you can achieve. 5. Say yes more often. Have you ever thought about trying new things and meeting new people? Saying no to every opportunity may create a barrier and limit your experiences. You might be missing out on chances to explore new situations and make new friends. So why not give yourself a chance and start saying yes more often? By doing so, you can surround yourself with people who share your interests and start socializing more. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but the more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable you'll become. Who knows? This might even help you overcome your shyness and become more outgoing. 6. Make eye contact. Did you know that making eye contact can be a great way to boost your confidence? When you look someone in the eye, it can help create a deeper connection and make the conversation more meaningful. You might have noticed that when you're in a group, the person who gets the least eye contact tends to talk the least. But if you make more eye contact, you'll show the other person that you're interested in what they have to say, which can make them feel more comfortable and engaged in the conversation. So why not give it a try and see how it works for you? 7. Take things one step at a time. Remember that it's okay to take things one step at a time. You don't have to try to overcome your shyness all at once. Instead, why not try taking small steps? For example, you could attend a social event for a short period of time or introduce yourself to someone new. Each small step will help build your confidence and make you feel less shy. And if you're feeling nervous about public speaking, that's totally understandable. A great way to start is by practicing in front of a small group of friends or family members. Once you feel more comfortable, you can work your way up to speaking in front of larger audiences. Remember, every small step counts. 8. Being fully present and giving your undivided attention. It's often easy for others to notice when we're not fully present and engaged in a conversation and are lost in our own thoughts. Being fully present means to be completely engaged and focused on the present moment, without any distractions or interruptions. This requires putting aside any thoughts or worries about the past or future and giving your undivided attention to the person or activity in front of you. This state of mindfulness and presence can lead to deeper connections with others and a greater appreciation of the present moment, but it takes conscious effort to let go of distractions and fully engage with the present. 9. Talk practice. I wanted to share something with you that I think could be really helpful. You know how sometimes it can be tough to talk to new people and feel comfortable? Well, I've found that practicing talking more openly with friends, family, and even strangers can really help. It might feel scary at first, but don't worry. The more you practice, the easier it gets. You'll even get to meet new people and maybe even make some new friends. So why not give it a try? You've got this. 10. Remember, it's totally okay to ask for professional help. If you've been feeling shy lately, have you thought about reaching out to a therapist or counselor? They're experts in helping people identify what's causing their shyness and can give you strategies to overcome it. Another idea could be to join a support group or take a public speaking class where you can practice and gain confidence in a safe and supportive space. Give it a try and see how it feels. If you make a consistent effort to practice self-confidence tips on a daily basis, you can gradually overcome your shyness and develop a stronger sense of self-assurance. Over time, your increased confidence will enable you to present yourself to others with greater ease, without feeling anxious about the possibility of being judged or criticized. By working on your self-confidence on a regular basis, you can take small but important steps towards a more confident and fulfilling life, in which you are able to express yourself and pursue your goals with greater courage and determination.